Hello, my dear children. This is our GK lesson, first lesson. My India, national symbols. What is the first lesson? My India, national symbols. Then I took some details in the previous day. Then you no need to read these all. You can see some points here. So this is page number, all of you take your textbook, you can see page number 182. Then you can see some columns and all, we can go through that only. You no need to read the full lesson and all. The wondered things I will give in your notes. Okay, then all of you go through this. Look at the column here. I rule the jungle. Have stripes on my body and am powerful and strong. I am your national animal. Who am I? Which is the national animal? Which is our national animal? In the previous class we learned that our national animal is yes, tiger. Tiger from Bengal. So it is Bengal tiger. So all of you write tiger here. Okay, write here tiger. Tiger spelling T-I-G-E-R. Okay, all of you write there. Okay, then look next. I grow in water. I grow in water. I am a sacred flower. So I represent purity. So I am representing the pure things, the purity. Okay. Then I am your national flower. So all of you identify what is that flower. Grow in water, sacred flower, then represent purity. It is our national flower. Which is our national flower? Yes, lotus. We can see in the next page, you can see the picture here. Lotus. Okay, all of you say the spelling. L-O-T-U-S. Okay, all of you write there on the dash. All things we learned in the previous day. Then you can see one column here. The navy blue wheel in the national flag. The navy blue wheel. You can see here in the picture. The navy blue wheel in the national flag is called Chakra, Ashoka Chakra. What we can call it? It is a chakra, but we can call it Ashoka Chakra. Okay. So all of you put tick on Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Done? Okay. Then go to next page. You can see another column here. Here lot of things are there. You don't need to go through this and all. So the wondered things here. Who wrote the national anthem? Say question here. Who wrote the national anthem? So national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Then who wrote it? Who wrote it? That is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. So all of you put tick on Rabindranath Tagore with your pencil. Okay. Who wrote national anthem? All of you say. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Then you will get options and all like this. Then no need, you just tick and all. For the examination, no need to by heart the spellings. Okay. Then we can go to the next column here. Which of these is the national fruit of India? Which is the national fruit? Banana, mango. Which is our national fruit? Yes, our national fruit is mango. All of you put tick on mango. Okay. Then there is some questions here. let us test your knowledge about our national symbols. So some questions are here. All of you keep your finger. The wheel at the center of our national flag is called the Ashoka Chakra. How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have? How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have? How many spokes are there? Yes, in the previous class we told that is 24. Ma'am already put tick here. All of you put tick like this in your textbook. How many spokes are there? 24 spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Next question. The national anthem of India. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Was first written in Bengali. So, Jana Gana Mana is first written in Bengali language. Is it true or false? Yes, it is right. So, we can write true. All of you put first one. First option is right. Then C. Which of these is the national flower of India? Which is our national flower? Lotus, rose, jasmine. Which is our national flower? Now we told. It is lotus. All of you put tick on lotus. Okay. Then look next question. It is also connected with our symbol, national symbol. Identify the Indian rupee symbol. So nowadays we are using this symbol for Indian rupee. Indian rupee has a special symbol that you can see 3 symbols here. Which is the right one? Yes, it is the right one. Second option. Put tick on second option. Okay, next E. All of you keep your finger. The national flag of India has 3 colors. National flag of India has how many colors? 3 colors. Which are they? Saffron, white and green. Then what is the question? Which color is at the bottom of the flag? Which color is at the bottom of the flag? So options green, saffron, white. So we learned that saffron on the top, white at the middle and green at the bottom of the flag. So the answer is yes, green. I put tick here. All of you put tick on the first option. All of you take the next page. You can see the question here. Find the national symbols in the pictures given below. So many pictures you can see here. Which are the national symbols here? Can you say? All of you can do yourself. First one, apple. Apple is a national symbol. Apple is a national fruit? No. Then next, coconut. Coconut trees are not a national symbol. Then what is this? Yes, it is a flag. It is a national flag. So put tick on this. It is our national symbol. Then next, what is this? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Very good. So we can put tick here also. Then what is this? This is a bird. What we can call it? Yes, Maina. It is not a national symbol. Then you can see the tree here. It is, which tree is this? You know? Which tree is this? Some of you know. Very good. It is banyan tree. Banyan trees are national tree. So it is also our national symbol. So put tick. Then it is our national animal. What is this? Yes, it is Bengal tiger. So all of you put tick on this. It is our national symbol. Then rose. Rose is our national flower? No, our national flower is lotus. So it is not our national symbol. So all of you complete it? Okay. Then you can see some quiz time here. So we want to write the answers near it. What is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Yes, it is lotus. Spelling L-O-T-U-S. Our national flower is lotus. Second question. What is India's national bird? What is India's national bird? Yes, peacock. Peacock spelling P-E-A-C-O-C-K. All of you write in your textbook. Peacock is our national bird. The next, what is written on the national emblem? That we can avoid. It is Satyameva Jayade. So that we can avoid. So you no need to learn. Okay. Then D, what is the national game of India? What is the national game of India? Yes, it is hockey. So that also we can avoid. Okay, no need to learn it. Then E, what is India's national animal? What is India's national animal? Yes, Bengal tiger. We can reduce it and write tiger. Spelling T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. All of you write well. So learn it. I will give the notes in the next class. All of you read these all things again and again. These boxes and all in the previous page. We read some boxes. These all things you learn again and again. No need to learn the full lesson like this. Okay, you learn the boxes only. Okay, then this choose the correct answer and all. Learn properly. Okay, read and learn properly. Okay, after that all of you collect your parent's signature here. Okay, thank you.